we have seen from the first stage. We should don't speak what you feel like. Deliberate whether it is appropriate or not, and then only utter a sentence. So your tongue is very eager to eat malpua, jalebi, kachori, rabdi, lasagna, pizza, cheesecake. So control your tongue. So if we can control the 6 urges, we can control the whole world. We can become the spiritual master of the whole world. This is for the householders. The question comes, do sannyasis not have to follow these regulations? So if you follow these 6 regulations, then only you can be in the renounced order of life. Householders gradually should advance on this path of controlling the 6 urges, and sannyasis and brahmacharis must be 100% situated in this. We know that there are 2 biggest poetry in this world, Ramayana and Mahabharata. There are 2 great epics. Ramayana happened in Treta Yuga and Mahabharata happened in Dwapar Yuga. Bhagavan Ramchandra, in order to follow the order of his father Dasharatha Maharaj, he went to the forest exile for 14 years. So most of the time was spent properly. So Ramchandra wanted to perform the final pastimes. Oh Sita, I want to keep you with the fire god for some time. What is your desire, Lord? So Lakshman went to the forest to collect the... See, now you can see there are 5 banyan trees are there. So he made Sita enter into the fire and Sita enter into the fire. Lakshman could not understand that Sita is entered into the fire. By the influence of Yoga Maya, Lakshman did not know that original Sita has entered into the fire entered by Lord Ramchandra. Kaviraj Goswami has given the answer in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Through the medium of fire, Sita Devi, she went to Parvati, who is the consort of Lord Shiva, and they reside in Kailash in Himalayan mountain. So in this way Sita spent 1 entire year with Parvati in Himalayas. So Lord Ram killed many demons. So when Lord Ram came to the forest of Dandakaranya, there was one demon by the name Marich. He told Marich, you are my uncle, maternal uncle, you have to help me, you have to help me completely. So Marich said, okay, I will assist you. Lord Ram is staying in Panchavati near Nashik. When Shurpanakha, the sister of Lord Ravan, she was flying in the sky. And she was flying in the sky and she saw Ramchandra and Lakshman. They were very beautiful. So 2 brothers, Ram and Lakshman, were sitting in a cottage, and outside the cottage Sita Devi also was there. She was also very beautiful. So Shurpanakha approached Lord Ram and said, oh Lord Ram, you are so attractive, you are so charming, I want to marry you. Then your life will be successful and my life will also be successful. I am with my wife, but my brother has no wife. His wife is in Ayodhya. So my brother is devoid of my wife, of his wife. So you can approach my brother, maybe he will marry you. can see, Ram is very charming. He is greenish in color, dark in color, but his brother is very fair in color. Let me marry his brother. So she approached. Lakshman said, hey handsome, why don't you marry me? Your life will be successful, my life will be successful. Will you marry me please? See? Lakshman said, wait a minute, you want to marry me? Don't you know, my elder brother is there, better marry my elder brother. If you marry me, then you will become maid servant of Sita Devi. Because I am myself the servant of Lord Ram. So Shurpankhar said, no, I don't want to become maid servant of Sita. She again approached Ram, said, will you marry me? Then Lord Ram told Shurpankhar, hey, foolish demoness, don't you understand? Brother's wife will never be the maid servant. Brother's wife is like daughter, or brother's wife is like sister. She cannot be like maid servant. Use your intelligence. Go, approach Lakshman and marry her. So Lakshman said, Ram said, I am already married to Sita Devi. I shall certainly not marry you, because I have taken the vow of having only one wife. যদি আমার ভাই তোমাকে বিয়ে করবে তুমি রাজি হবে আমার সঙ্গে বিয়ে তো রাজি করতে পারবে না একবার চিন্তা করে দেখো কি করবে So then Ram told, my father Dasharatha Maharaj had 360 queens and 3 were prominent. So if you marry me, then you will become assistant to Sita, but you will not be the queen, because Sita is already the queen of Ayodhya. So better go and approach Lakshmana. আর পূর্ণকে গিয়েছে রাবণের কাছে, রাবণ বসে কাঁদছে। এখানে এটা কি হলো? সুবর্ণখার মনোবেগ, মনে যা এলো ভগবানকে নিবেদন করলো। আর কি? এই উপস্থ বেগ, কাম বেগ ধারণ করতে পারলো না।